This is another experiment that the students will love, making slime. The setup requires you to prepare in advance some 5% borax solution, that's sodium borate, that will need a fume cupboard with current regulations, and a solution of 5% polyvinyl alcohol, PVA. Making the PVA solution would be a video in its own right, as it needs to be heated to about 60 degrees centigrade with constant stirring and using high molecular mass PVA, not low molecular mass PVA, if you want the best results. The reaction, and it is a reaction, it makes a borate ester, is simple. You place some of the PVA solution into a beaker. It doesn't have to be the size that we're demonstrating here. You can choose to add food colouring or not. Add in a volume of borax and stir. The more borax that you add, the thicker the paste, until you have an excess of borax and it'll go sloppy again. You can make a variety of slimes of different viscosities using different amounts of borax for a fixed amount of PVA. This works better than using PVA wood glue, which has got a lot of fillers in it, and it also works better than the PVA that you make up using low molecular mass PVA solids.